Hi everyone, today we're going to be making some slime. So yeah, I'm sorry if the camera's kind of shaky. So what you're going to need is, you're not going to need the syringe, but what you're going to need is something to mix your slime with, some salt, we're just using this one, shampoo, you have to use shampoo, I'm just using coconut and that one, whatever it's called, I cannot pronounce it. Ow! And we're gonna need some paint and fork or whatever you want to mix it with. You don't have to use this type of salt and you don't have to use this type of shampoo and you don't have to use paint, but I just want mine to be a colour. But I'm gonna change this paint because if you hear a timer, that's my other slime coming out of the fridge, so I'm sorry about that. But first I'm gonna go and change this paint. Okay, so I've got this green colour now, so yeah, I'm going to be making green slime. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get some shampoo and put it into the bowl. Ow, that hurt my hand. Okay. Put as much as you want. I'm only using a little bit since I've made some blue slime. So yeah, we're just going to put a bit of paint. You only want a tiny bit of paint. I've used these paints a lot, so I don't have a... Oh no. Oh no. That could have ended badly. You know what, tiny bit of paint. So that much should do, that batch. So we're going to just mix this up. Oh, I hate that sound. I'm just going to have to stir this up and stir it till it's a nice consistency. This is what it should look like when it's done. So now we're going to take a tiny bit of salt, and I mean a tiny bit. And that's about how much you'll need, so only a little bit. Only a tiny bit for the batch I've got. Maybe a tiny bit more. But that's a bit too much, but it should be okay. So we're going to mix this up. Oh, that's good. Let's just stir, stir, stir. And as you can see, it's just getting kind of thick. So, yeah, we're just going to keep stirring this. I did something wrong. I'm going to have to add some more shampoo. But, yeah.